In this video, I'm going to show you how to make non-destructive editing using smart objects. So I'm going to start with this file here, and I'm going to open up this little brain character. I'm going to select all and then copy. Then I can close it out and then do paste, Control V. And then I'm going to go to Layer, to the Layer menu, and choose Smart Objects, Convert to Smart Object. Alright, so now you'll see I have a smart object layer with that brain on it, and I'm going to do Control T and I'm going to make it really small. So drag it by the corner and hold your Shift key to keep your proportions and just make it a tiny little brain. And then press Enter or the check mark, and now I'm going to paste another copy of it, but this time I am not going to make it a smart object. So I'm going to do Control T, and this is just a regular image, not smart. I'm going to also do the same thing. I'm going to make it small. And then press Enter. Now you can see over here on my layers palette how I'm going to name this one Smart Object or Smart, and this one Not Smart. You can see in the layer it has a little teeny thing in the corner of the Smart Object, so you know that that's the Smart layer right there. So now I'm going to do Control T again, and I'm going to enlarge it back again. Notice how it stays crisp. The image was not destroyed, it was non-destructive. Now I'm going to take the regular image that wasn't a smart object, and when I enlarge it, you can see now that all the pixels were reduced from when I did the transform. So that's an advantage of using a smart object, is that it's non-destructive.